Abdul Rahman, I think his name is, he says, my niece, who is 14 years of age, has been having heavy bleeding for several months at a time, after which she will have a gap of no bleeding for a few days, and then the cycle would start again. She's seeking medical advice from a general practitioner. However, as it is now Ramadan, she has been bleeding for 6 weeks. First of all, this is unacceptable. Bleeding for a woman in her menses cannot exceed 15 days in a month. So over the duration of 30 days, it cannot exceed 15 days. It can be 14. But the max is that, because if it exceeds half of the month, this is not permissible. So any woman who gets her menses over 15 days, immediately she must perform ghusl, she prays and fasts, and the whole 9 yards. Why? Because this bleeding is istihada, it's not hayd, it's not her menses anymore. So for 4 months, 3 months, 2 months, 1 month, totally unacceptable. She should immediately perform ghusl, pray and fast. Now, if she can know when in the month is her old menses, that would be great, but because she's 14 years of age, I don't think she had any. So she has to recognize from the color, the cramps, the smell of the blood, whether this is her monthly period of 6 to 7 days or not. If this is not possible at all, the blood is the same throughout the 3 or 4 months, in this case, she should follow her womenfolk, her sister, her mother, and whenever they get their period, she considers that period is hers, and whenever they're pure, she performs ghusl. If the bleeding makes her weary and tired and unable to fast, she's exempted from fasting, but she has to make it up when she is pure.